everyone, welcome to Let's Make Bowtruckles! So this is an example of today's craft. It's pretty nifty. It'll actually stand on a flat surface. There you are. Here's my pet Bowtruckle. Are you guys excited to see how to make one? Okay, let's go ahead and head over to the craft table and I'll show you how. So here's a little bit of a closer look at our Bowtruckle. They have 3 legs and 2 arms. One, though, has 3 fingers and the other has 2. Then you have the face and some leaves here on top. So we're gonna go ahead and start with 3 pipe cleaners. We're gonna have them all together. So this bottom part is gonna be the legs and this is gonna be towards the top. About halfway up the pipe cleaners, you're gonna start twisting them. Just kind of wrap them around. And this is going to end up being the body or trunk of the Bowtruckle. So we're going to do this until we get to the point where you want the arms. It's pretty close. There we go. So then kind of just spread out everything you want it to look. There's the arms. This is going to be the head. And then these here are going to be the different legs. So don't worry about whether or not it can stand right now because we'll be able to pose this when we're all done and figure out where that exactly needs to be. So next we want to curl the edges of the pipe cleaners just a little bit so they're not so sharp. So I like to just use the small pliers here, grab the end, and just turn. So gonna do that to both hands and each of the legs. You might need an adult to help you with this part. Just takes a quick second. So next we're gonna make the hands, and you have 2 different like really thin wires in your kit. One is a little bit shorter than the other. And this is going to be the one we use to make the smaller hands, the one with 2 fingers. So you just kind of bend it to make a little bit of a loop shape. There we go. For 1 finger. Then we're going to do it again for the 2nd finger. Okay. Go ahead and we'll set that aside and we're going to do the other hand too. So we're going to do the same thing to this one, except for we're going to do 3 fingers instead. So there's 1 loop. Two loops. And there's 3. So that's going to be our 3 fingers. And then you want to have a little bit of a tail on each of the hands, so we can attach them to the Bowtruckle. And be careful, the wire is a little sharp at the ends. So what I like to do is these little curls that we made, you can actually slip them in there to attach and then just wrap the wire around the arm. We're going to do the same thing on the other one. Just go ahead and put it through and then wrap it around. Okay. So next is we have these 2 little leaves that are going to go on the top of the Bowtruckle's head. We're going to start, I like to have them face together, so the wire side on the outside, and then we're just going to twist these wires together all the way down. Then we're going to attach them to the top, again by twisting the wires around the pipe cleaner. Okay, and then you're going to fold the leaves down a little bit so they end up looking like that. Now it's time to wrap our Bowtruckle in the yarn. So I know it's kind of a lot of yarn to work with, but you can go ahead and cut it into smaller sections if you need to. I would say maybe about 2 to 3 feet. You don't want it to be too short because you won't be able to wrap much at a time. And the shorter the strings are, the more you're going to have to glue the ends and such. So a nifty way to start these is to go ahead and lay your yarn out like this a little bit, and then we're going to wrap over that. So I like to start with the fingers because I want to get the arms done first. And you're just going to go ahead and start wrapping it and then work your way down over not only the wires but also the yarn that was there, because then that is just one less thing we'll need to use the glue to hold the yarn for. So go all the way to the base of one finger, and then you're going to want to wrap the other finger as well. And you can pinch the wire a little bit closer together too. And then this one you have to go back down because we're just going to take the yarn and wrap all the way down the arms. You can kind of see that there. I go almost to the edge, not quite because it'll just fall off. And then we're just going to wrap it all the way around. Okay, and then when we come up on the middle, do a little extra wrapping for later. I kind of like making, kind of like it's wearing a sash in both directions. So, and then you just go ahead and start wrapping along the other arm here. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and I'll show you how to secure the end. Okay, so I have just a little bit of a tail here and I wrapped all the fingers. You can see both hands and arms are done. You're just going to take this and at the base of the fingers, you're going to wrap it kind of until you can't anymore. And then take a little dab of glue put it on there, and then you're just gonna glue the end down. Next, you're gonna want to start at the top of the head, and you're gonna do the same thing. Put about 1 inch or so down, hold it, and then just start wrapping it. And you might want to end up actually putting the leaves up a little bit. They can get in the way. They also may fall off. You just go ahead and glue or tape them back down. So we're going to do the same thing where we wrap this all the way down. And you're going to go all the way to one of the legs. The only part here that is a little bit tricky is where the arms meet. You're just going to want to wrap it around a bunch of different ways to kind of cover up as much pipe cleaner as you can. But if the pipe cleaner shows through, it's kind of cool because everything's green, so it's very Bowtruckle-y. Okay, so basically to go down as far as you can, and then you're going to do that X thing again, where it's like wearing the sashes. So, but because we already did it a few times, it kind of helps cover it up a little bit quicker. So you just go ahead and do that. And then you just keep wrapping again. Just going to wrap around the trunk all the way down, and then just choose one of its legs, and then you're going to cut and glue the end. And then for the last 2 legs, you're going to start at the bottom of one of them, and you're going to work your way up and over to the other leg that isn't done, back down, cut and glue. And then your Bowtruckle will be all wrapped up. The only last steps for the Bowtruckle are pretty simple. 1, you're going to want to make sure the legs are posed just right, so it'll stand. And 2nd, go ahead and grab some markers and draw a face on your Bowtruckle, somewhere on the head. And that is it. Once you've finished all of that, you will have a pet Bowtruckle. All that's left is for you to pick out a name. Enjoy!